Alrighty, I just got this horn dropped off the other day at my house. Came up from a guy from Florida. He wants me to see what I can do to restore it and make it work. He said he has $600 into it at the moment. He had a friend that was coming up that moves boats bring it up to me. Saved him shipping anyway, so we're still at the $600 mark. I want to try to do what I can do. He doesn't want to put a lot of money into it. This is the first time I've seen the horn. I haven't pulled it out of the box. The first thing that I have noticed, though, the 25 bell wasn't in the box. I don't know if you can see it or pick up on it or not. The 25 bell's kind of got a right hook to it. So I'm pretty good at straightening out the longer bells. It's not that tough. I actually can get them to fit into my receiver hitch in my truck, and I have a bent bar that I put inside, and I can tweak it back the way it's got to go. So that's what we're going to take care of. We'll try to straighten the bell out for him the best we can. Let's see what's in the box. Such a beautiful day today, Sunday. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Mother's Day, which is one of the most important days of the year. So make sure you go see Ma. Alright, let's see what we got going on in here. We got a bag of bolts, 44 bell. Just had a little grinding going on. A little nick. The 31 bell. That one, I don't know if you can see it. That takes a major hook. Look at that. That's a banana bell there. This thing took a side impact hard. I don't think I've ever seen a rougher casting either. Okay. Manifold's bent big time. Horrible railroad weld. The foot's been ground off it, the part that sticks out on this side. The hole's been chewed. It's got a 1961 date stamp. And it's got the double T stamp. And obviously at one point in its life was taking air through this port here. Wow. I don't know if I'm going to be able to straighten that out. I'll give it a try. I've done a couple of them. Got them back a little bit. And let's see what we got. Chunk missing out of the chamber. There ain't much left here. Pretty corroded. One chamber. Second chamber. Broken bolt. No broken bolts in that. This one's not even worth messing with. Scrap aluminum. Aluminum tabby. What's left of it. Pretty well corroded. Diffuser plate gone. Junk taken out of the cap. All in here is really corroded. That's an important spot right there for the diffuser plate. I don't know if it's worth sending out to California to Mike or not. Second diffuser plate. Very corroded. I was told that this horn was acid dipped. So that could explain the type of corrosion and the heavy pitting. Because they said they didn't want to take and blast it due to the fact they were afraid they were going to mess the diaphragms up. So this back cap may be salvageable. Another back cap. This thing is junk. It's all corroded. The hole's been drilled out. I think it's so far corroded that this won't even be able to be machined on the inside. Two junk back caps, basically 3 junk housings. New gaskets. See what the diaphragms look like. Oh, there's screws for the back caps to hold the coils in. Yep, look at that. There's the stem right there. Junk. Make it work. That's embedded so far. And flip it maybe. Get something out of that one. This ring's not too bad. That's usable. Little bit, not too bad. It's been flipped once in its life, it looks like. Got a good nozzle groove in it. Corrosion stuck to it. Okay, there we go. We got not too bad. It's not razor sharp. A lot of times they get razor sharp in here. This one's not too bad either. The rings are usable. So that's kind of what we got. We got two bent bells. 31's badly bent. Manifold is usable, but it's really bent, and the chambers aren't even worth really messing with. So you're looking at 3 new chambers, manifolds, see what he wants to do. I got a prime 3-chime manifold. I don't have any 3-chime Leslie manifolds left that don't need a fixing themselves. And a bent 25 and a bent 31. So I'm gonna say, sorry dude, $600. You bought a pile of scrap. And get a hold of him, see what his interest is, what he wants to do, how much he wants to put into this. You know, by the time I'm done with it, going to be another, you know, $500 anyway. So now he's into $1,100, and you can just go buy another one for that. You know, it's like I say, this I don't think it's worth messing with, to be honest with you. You know, it's pretty much a box of parts. You know, it's had a horrible life. It had a tough life. All right, and that's that. And once I talk to him, we'll see what his interest is, and we'll go from there. Either we're going to have one hell of a restoration going on, or he's going to get a pile of scrap back. Alrighty, everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget it's Mother's Day. Have a great day. Sad to see a horn this nice and this sad a shape. See ya. Happy day. God bless America.